This is my message to Anyi Dons. Anyi Dons, I haven't been able to respond to you because I'm busy at Osu too. But what you're suffering from is what so many Igbo young guys are going through. But the most annoying part of it is the type of cowardice you people are showing. Of course, you admitted that you called out these 419 NGOs. Ndị bu ọnụ eme donation n'ụlọ ụka. Ekwu otu ego asị na na-enye aka philanthropists na-enwe aka ọnụ. You expose them, and for that reason, they've been looking for a way to buy you. Now, political support that others are giving with no problem, no qualms. You not even support anybody. Now they want to hang on to it in order to justify the harm they've been planning to deliver on you. Sorry, someone is passing. I don't need to show the harm they want to do to you. Remember, this is how many times you are begging them. You'll be pleading with them. Oh, probably they are calling people around you, calling your families, saying they will come and burn your house or all this nonsense, or that they will buy you. Well, it is so disheartening that you will be there explaining to your fellow man because you accepted to be a coward. For how long would that cowardice last? People like us, you think we don't get threatened? You think they're not? If somebody threatening you, threaten them back and make sure you back it up with action. So you either live as a slave and probably live long, or you live as a warrior and still probably live long. So your cowardice or bravery does not determine whether you stay long or not. But at the very least, bravery will make sure you don't live as a slave. So if you want to keep on explaining yourself to these people, it's up to you. You can't even open your mouth and mention their name. They see waiting gentle, they do, they rant, all this, that. You think say some people, let me even give you people a small story. My mother sent a voice note to Mama alone and said, somebody called. They say, gentle, say you want to come burn their house, you want to do this. Say, I say, who told you people this thing? Because now the person I go start with first. If gentle want to talk to me, you know where to write me for my page. Or if you want to do something, you go first, they tell me. Like waiting you want to do, I no go do times 20. If they need to bomb the entire abob, use chemical weapon, everything like, waiting I no go do am. Blood guilt, when I want blood guilt, every single person connected to them go buy before in presence, like it go happen. Now me go show them how they do wickedness. Now me like all of them, I go start from the Kanu family first. You see all those ones where they abroad, those where they South African, where they send them this message. Now them be my target self. Them all their full family, blood, we go paint Igbo land red. You dey hear me? Blood go flow for Igbo land. You no go even end for Southeast. Lagos, Abuja, whichever, I don't care where you dey. You go reach your family. Like if na pikin where they born 2 days ago, I go buy am. You dey hear me? I say 2-day-old pikin, me go buy am. And you go know say na me do am. When a politician, I go have, when I see that in Paramosis, you go work. So Anyi Dons, if you really want to live free, this is how to live free. Which of them no get relative? Which of them no get brother? Which of them no get sister? Which of them no get in-law? Or these ones where they go as here, then go see fire. In fact, now people go use that they call the day, they say, Ijele, we don't buy up to 100. You don't do. I go say, you never do. Because my leg, say for here, then they catch some of their women. They come out for their account. They don't say, you don't. And army, where then they tell you, say, army, by innocent people. No be me in the past daily. As for people like me, I won't buy them on there. If they hear me, ask Butus and all the Uwam and Co. Ask all of them where they this camp for us, whether they are women, they allow them pass or not. Now because that one na me. If na me, I go buy everybody where they there. Don't you know where they carry? I go buy everybody. Can go do na yabu serious war. This is not where you will be shouting, oh, your people, your people, thunder babuku there. And this is why Anyi Dons can't act. Can't person in a fight, which you munne, they can't aquadi bugi, can up munegi, nor de kebugi. Bomb me up no so get bomb me, mob the moon across room garden that don't care who you are. Udrob nature. It's your family by family, neg blood guilt. If you can say blood guilt, you can pay. Unu kana mwa ndo okada ndị kapinta ka ngeze gentle onye okada kapinta butu ụzọ kapinta eye pencil keke mechanic no so nkwe ekperi me enwe ha aka ọrụ na-eso anyị ndị politicians n'azụ inu na-eso nga-achụ anyị ndị politicians ka ifu go post picture na poster before ụmụ anụmanụ grateful unu niile Anyi Dons akụ unu ga na-eji na-egwu egwu onye nwara m nye ya egwu akwagwa m na ga-abịa abịago m na unu chọzie efu m n'ụdị ọzọ ka agbanite the volume agbanitekwe the volume so ihe niile ọ bụrụ nchekwa mmeri unu ya ọ bụ na ọsọ agbagha na anyị Igbo ama na ọ bụghị ifuru otu ọsụ anụ a dị empty otu anụ a na ebe niile ka ọ dị ebe a bụkwa bush o ọkwa nsụcha ka a sụchara ha ncha niile bụ otu a ka ọ dị all of this place na like this day before all of this place wey dey see na clearance dey clear am. Mana ihe nke m ji dị egwu bụ na face ihe gị face your community next 20 years the bush garden na bunu nke anụ a ga-abụ no carpet grass compared to it so drop unu chọ m enyu unu ya download on video save on ya save sie na ike si na mmụọ kwuru ya maka ọ ga-eme chenomunu na-abịa ekwe nne 1 pound ụmụ anụmanụ